Why would somebody be bloated and has a lot of burping? One of the common reasons is diet. If somebody eats irregularly, they get this problem. The second problem that is known is Helicobacter pylori, which is a bacteria which resides in the stomach and causes gastritis, stomach pain, bloating, and burping. Another common problem is gallstones, which is stones in the gallbladder, and this gives you the above symptoms. Furthermore, irregular meals and certain types of food will cause people to have bloating and burping.